one cheesecake. First, we need 2 tablespoons of flour,
Half.
half cup of sugar, 3 eggs, whipping cream, cheese. Okay, let's start now.
Okay, you can break the eggs
Okay, put the eggs
into the bowl first.
into this bowl. Okay. One,
Put it here.
two. Oh, there's an eggshell. So you have to take one egg. One.
Did it come out?
Yeah.
Okay, the third one. It's okay.
Three. Okay, now I'm going to wash my hands.
Okay.
I already washed my hand. Now let's beat the egg. With the fork.
Okay. You can put it in the
Then the blender.
blender. Okay.
This shake is shaky.
Okay, Hannah.
Who's that here? Oh.
Careful. Facing you. Yes. Put the flour, put the sugar. This is a very simple recipe which is viral right now. So we're just trying it out. We just put everything in the blender. And then put the cream cheese.
Cream cheese.
Be
Just
careful.
dump it in.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, but the whipping cream, you need to measure 125 ml. You cut it first.
I can already take.
Okay, whipping cream we need
We need
125 ml.
I'm just making a big mess.
It's okay. Alright. Okay.
Okay, now let's put the whipped cream inside the blender.
That's all the ingredient. We're gonna close it. Okay, yeah, close it. And then press number 1.
Look.
Nope, okay.
Okay, now I'm going to pour it.
This is a 6-inch pan, and we already put
No,
butter
we
on
just
it.
need to do like this. No, we don't need to do like this.
Okay.
This. Fun. It's not like my Oreo cheesecake. Mommy's going to help me. Who's the camera? Oh, there's a glass too. We are going to put this inside. We need 180 Celsius.
For how long?
25 minutes.
Yes, 25 minutes. Let's go. Careful.
Bye bye, cheesecake.
25, 20, 1 It's done now. Wow, it's so nice and burnt on top. So let it cool down.
The cake is ready. I'm going to eat it. Amazing.
So good.
Yummy. Make sure to subscribe here. Bye.
Bye. She's gonna eat some more. It's so easy, right? The recipe.
That's so easy.